Everyone says watch movies, read books, and practice speaking. But what if I told you there is a step by step strategy that can take you from beginner to fluent without feeling overwhelmed? This is the method that no one talks about, but it works. And at the end of this video, I'll share the one daily habit that completely transformed my students' English, and it takes 15 minutes a day. What is fluency? There are two sides of fluency, the physical side and the mental side of fluency. The physical side of fluency is when your mouth needs to produce and speak the words fast and smoothly. Then there is the mental side of fluency where your brain needs to find words and build English sentences fast without taking much time. You need to work on both sides in order to speak English fluently. How can you do this? We've got rules to help you speak English fluently and confidently. Rule number one, push yourself to speak. I know it's difficult to speak a foreign language, but it sounds like we don't have any other choice but to push ourselves to speak the language in order to improve, gain confidence, and eventually become fluent. Remember, every time you speak English, even if it's not perfect, you are getting stronger. Fluency doesn't come from being perfect, it comes from being brave. Mistakes are proof that you are learning. So don't be afraid to speak up. The more you use the language, the more natural it will feel. Here is what research says. How often you practice matters more than how long you practice. According to language learning experts, daily practice is far more effective than longer, less frequent sessions. Consistency is key. Studies show that learners who speak regularly, even in short bursts or brief sessions, develop stronger speaking habits and retain more vocabulary and structures. Speaking 4 to 5 times a week, even for just 15 or 30 minutes, can lead to significant improvement in fluency over time. Here is an ideal practice schedule for fluency. Now is a good time to pause the video and check out this fluency schedule before we are moving on with on how to find speaking partners. How to find speaking partners. Number one, use language exchange applications. Number two, you can find foreigners in your city. Number three, join English learning groups using social media. Rule number two, speed reading. Speed reading helps to train your brain to think faster in English. It builds your vocabulary and boosts understanding and confidence. Here is how you can do speed reading. Find an easy text, read aloud and time yourself, beat your previous time, and repeat it 3 to 5 times. Use this technique to build your fluency because your mouth needs to produce the sounds in words fast and smoothly. Rule number three, use songs. Songs are fun and easy to remember. They make learning English more enjoyable and effective. It can help you speak English better. Here is how to use songs. Find a song that you like in English. Find the lyrics online, read the lyrics, sing the song with lyrics, and repeat it often. Rule number four, learn through comprehensible input. One powerful way to improve your English is to learn through comprehensible input. That means surrounding yourself with English you can mostly understand. Even if some parts are new, your brain picks it up naturally like a sponge. Here is a step by step guide to do it effectively. Number one, know your level. Figure out roughly where your English is right now. Are you a beginner, intermediate, or advanced learner? This helps you choose the right materials. Number two, use videos with subtitles. Start with content like TV shows or movies. Use English subtitles first, then try without subtitles. Watch TikToks. Choose topics you already enjoy. And watch English learning channels. I made a couple of videos about best English learning channels on YouTube that you can check out after watching this one. I'll leave the link in the description below. Number 3. Read lots of books in English. Read books, articles, or stories at your level. Start with books that is written for English learners. Read children's books, comics, or short stories. Try news. Try reading news that is designed for English learners. Remember, don't stop at every word you don't know. Focus on understanding the general meaning. Number 4, listen daily. Podcasts or audiobooks can be powerful. Try English as a second language podcasts like The English We Speak or Luke's English podcast. Listen to short stories or audiobooks with the text in front of you. Listen again to the same audio multiple times. Number 5, repeat in shadow. Choose a short clip or audio and listen first, then read the transcript. Next, repeat out loud. This is called shadowing. And finally, try to imitate the rhythm and pronunciation of the speaker. Number 6, focus on topics you love. When you learn through something you care about, like gaming, cooking, tech, or sports, it feels easier and more fun. You are more likely to stick with it. Number 7, gradually increase difficulty. As you improve, raise the level of your input. Watch shows without subtitles. Read harder books or news articles. And listen to faster native level speech. Number 8, keep a notebook. Write down new words or phrases. Write down example sentences and interesting expressions. But keep in mind, review them regularly and don't stress about memorizing everything. The more you see and use the language, the easier it becomes to understand and remember.